Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and I do videos like body positivity videos and also fashion videos. If you like that kind of content, then don't forget to hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell button to be notified of all my future videos. And yeah, so today we are going into another Fabfitfun box. I actually received this one a little bit earlier than the editor's box, and it was really like a surprise to me, to be honestly, because I didn't think it was gonna come. I did get an email stating that there are some products that were able to be purchased for a cheaper price, so I went ahead and did that and they added it to the order. If you are interested in the Fabfitfun world, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the Fabfitfun box. I did get a separate bigger box for like 2 small items, which was really weird. But yeah, so this is my Fabfitfun box. It's super cute. So if you don't know who or what Fabfitfun is, it is a subscription box and they do subscriptions for every season. So fall, summer, winter. They offer other products to be bought with it if you would like to purchase some items for way cheaper, or their clearance down on their website. So I got 2 items that I was able to pick up, and including my Fabfitfun box. If you did not watch my other video, I did get an editor's box per another YouTuber, Just Nina, who gave me the opportunity to get a $5 editor's box. And so I do have limited spots for that as well. So if you are interested in receiving a Fabfitfun editor's box for $5, I'll have the link down below in the description. So the first thing that I had to open up, this is one of the products that I got at a discounted price. So this is the Fasanti Rose Water Pomegranate Toner and Refreshing Spray. So I guess you could use this as a refresher spray. It looks like this. Super cute. Pink, and it's like a pink frosty color, which is super cute. Kind of got that like Kylie skin feel packaging. But this is a toner and refreshing spray. Let's go ahead and spritz it. So the rose does come off pretty good. It's not like overpowering or anything like that. Definitely a refresh to my skin. I cannot talk today. I am a little bit on the oily side, but nonetheless, I really like this spray. It's not a very high fragrance type of The next item is this one, which I did end up using the gel. This is the Good Brow Day Set. It looks like this. And it comes with, it's kind of similar to the, it kind of has the same feel as the Benefit Brows, I believe. So this is from the Beauty Crop, and it is cruelty-free and vegan, and they are called the Beauty Crop. I don't know much about them, but they have the Good Brow Day Set. So pencil, it has a spoolie on one end like usual, and the product right here. Hopefully it's a good match. It's pretty decent. It's I don't remember if, I think they only had like 2 colors, like a blonde and a brown, but I definitely will list that in the comments or in the description box if it did come, or somewhere up here that if it did come in a different type of color, but I believe they only had brown and blonde or something like that is what that looks like right there, which is super cute. Oh, look at the difference.
Do you want to know?
The first thing I saw was this makeup eraser, which is super good. I used to have one of these makeup erasers way back. I think I bought it at a TJ Maxx or a Ross or something like that. But these have been super popular lately, and I am glad I have another one. I definitely probably will buy more, just because I have been using the makeup wipes, and I really don't need to be using makeup wipes, or I use a cotton pad with my go-to micellar water. But if this does the trick, then it's super soft, and it seems to do a good job from the last time I've used it. So we'll see if I go back to using this bad boy, but I am so glad that I got one of these. Next product, something that was cute. I have been dying to try out Target's Winky Lux brand, and I was able to get, or they included the Rainbow Lip and Cheek Balm, which is super cute.
This is also cruelty-free. This is a peach matching technology, universally flattering cherry pink shade. Can be used on lips and cheeks.
And that's the packaging right there. Super cute. It's a bullet. So I did swipe it, but that's what it looks like right there. That's what it looks like on. I definitely will be using this when I don't have any like face products on, or if I'm doing like a supernatural look, I will most likely use this. Next is the Soft Focus Glow Drops. It's a illuminating ultimate glow primer in Rhodial. It's like this, and this is a full-size product, which is pretty crazy. Majority of the items that I got were full-sized. So I got Soft Focus Glow Drops, Illuminate Glow and Radiant with Soft Focus Glow Drops. It looks like that. I do have something similar that I like using, and that's from, I believe, Makeup Revolution. So it's going to be interesting using something like this. So it does have a little bit of a smell to it. It's kind of luxe. It looks like that. I am an oily based person, so it's gonna be interesting to see how this is for my skin type. It's super soft though, and it has like that tacky feel, so I feel like it will grab the foundation a lot better than maybe my matte primer. So hopefully that works out for me. I watch a YouTuber named Perky Perkins, and she has beautiful illuminating skin, and she always has that luminosity in her makeup routine, which is really amazing. I look up to her so much because she has just beautiful skin. So the next thing is Detox Pads, complexion perfecting pads with alpha beta hydroxy. This is the full size. It is Detox Pads. So they look like that. It's from the brand Nasif MD. Says gently wipe your face with the pad in the morning and evening to improve skin's complexion. Do not rinse off. Avoid the upper and lower lids. A tingling sensation may occur. This is normal. So I'm going to be interested to use this. There's 60 pads in here. That is a lot of pads. This item is Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash Daily Cleansing Ritual Lavender Oil. So that's what it looks like. And this would be nice to have around by my hand washing station. I'm gonna definitely smell this. Definitely highly smells of lavender. It smells clean and very natural. So I'm gonna be so excited to use this. Okay, so this is a summer mist set. The must-have duo for fresh skin this summer: turmeric, pomegranate, shake well before use. So this is more mist set. It's a duo. You can see right there. So face mist, Apto, shake well before use. I heard turmeric was really good for like pimples or acne, which I am breaking out. I don't know why, but I hope this will help. So this is the face mist in turmeric, and this is all for all skin types, but it looks like that. Definitely smaller than the other one. And this is the pomegranate one. And this is really interesting. So this is a wrinkle treatment. It's called Revive Light Therapy by Glow. I'm hoping that this works out for me. I did happen to put the batteries in, and I read a little bit about it. It looks like this, and infrared lighting. So when I'm gonna just test it on my forearm. So you hold it down, turns on. You hold it there for 3 minutes, and if the red does not go away, then it may not be a good fit for you. I did it, and it doesn't look like anything happened. Well, there's a little bit of a red mark, but it's very, very faint. So I'm going to be intrigued to use this. See how light therapy helps with my wrinkles. So that was a really, really, really good product. I'm pretty sure these are not cheap. This next item is Cosmedix Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. So this is also cruelty free. It says it is a pure C, which is a pure vitamin C. You can use this morning and night. Mix crystals with any of your favorite products and apply to the face. It says mix with any Cosmedix product and apply to the face. I'm gonna have to look that one up, because so yeah, this is the last item, and it looks like this, but I'm gonna have to look up what I can mix with this. I'm pretty sure it's like moisturizers and stuff, because I don't have a pure, I don't have I'm gonna see if I can use any other products with this brand, because they didn't give a Cosmedix item, which would have been nice if they're giving something that is like a mixer that I would have to mix into the same product. It would have been nice if they included another, or the actual product to mix in with this, but unfortunately they did not. So that is it for this haul. I got some really great products that I'm so super excited to try out. And if you want to see me try out those products, I will leave my Instagram down below. I will always try the products out on my Instagram stories. So if you follow me there, then you'll get to see how I tried it on. And also, I did create a vlog channel for my hubby and I. And if you want to, you can follow us there as well. I'll have our little vlog channel in the description down below. And I have been being tossed my the name around here and there, so I definitely gonna be sticking with whatever I placed out. I'm gonna be sticking with it because it's just a lot in my brain. And if you've noticed, my hair is fading to a lavender, and I want to hopefully take out the purple soon. I don't know when, but I'm having fun with this hair. I don't know what to pair clothes with. To be honest, it's been a long day. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Like always, stay super sweet.